Namaste and welcome to day 21 of Mindful 30 journey. Well, it's said that it takes 21 days to build a habit, and we are today at our 21st day towards building our habit, to getting into this movement practices, to approaching not just body but our mind, our soul through this journey. And with that, today's practice is about visualization. We're going to take our imaginations and let it help us through the journey today. Yes? With that, I want you to start with standing into a comfortable position. If you can get your legs together, that'll be nice. Relax your shoulders, relax your hands, close your eyes. Try to connect your soles of the feet to the floor, to the core of the earth. At the same time, try to reach out from your head all the way up to the infinity, up and higher, reaching out from every corner of your body, finding yourself in the center. We're going to join our palms at heart center. And let's just chant Om sound together. Inhale. Om. Gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. Let's try with first trying to coordinate our movement and the breathing together. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your left hand on your belly, on your navel, inhaling. And your right hand is facing upwards, the palms. All you have to do is when you inhale, let the belly go out. Fill the air inside. And the longer you're inhaling, the longer the hand goes up. It's like a meter. And the longer, the moment you start exhaling, you switch and start going down with the hands. Yes. Let's do this together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See if you can let the breath happen naturally without adding an extra exaggeration to the breath. Close your eyes and feel that movement happening through not just the belly but also through the hands. Your hands are moving just as your breath. It's like singing the song with the movement. It's like breathing with the movement. It's the moving meditation. Two more rounds. And slowly relax. Relax your hands and open your eyes. Beautiful, isn't it? That harmony of movement and the breath. That coordination is what I want you to involve in today's practice. The practice is simple. All you have to do is put the imagination and also the coordination. What we're going to imagine you're inside the deep ocean, inside the water. Okay, and when we move in the water, you'll realize we cannot move like this in the water. We need a little bit of energy to move our limbs inside, move our body inside, right? So you have to think you're inside the ocean, and wherever you want to move, you're cutting the water to move, making space to move. With that, let's take our arms and cut water and reach out from the arms. Keep the hands light but still with the energy. Place it and take it all the way up. Look up at your thumbs. Exhale, look up front. Inhale again. Exhale, go to the right side. Inhale up through the ocean. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly release through the water. Lovely. This is what I want you to apply through the practice. We're going to do sun salutations, Surya Namaskars. We have done this, right? So from here, we just have to go deep into the ocean, join your hands at the heart, close your eyes, imagine yourself going deeper inside the water. From here, take your arms from the side, collect all the water and inhale up, move as you're going up. And when you're going down, exhale, coordinate the movement with the breath. Release the head down. Inhale, step your right leg back, right knee down, look up. Slowly hold your breath, go into plank. Slowly drop your knee, chest and forehead. Slowly inhale, come up. Slowly exhale, push back. Slowly inhale, step the right leg ahead, left knee down, look up. Slowly exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, release the hands and relax. Let's do it even slower. You can take extra breaths where we are holding the posture. Yes, exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up through the ocean. Exhale all the way down and release your head. Just stay here and breathe. Add extra breaths here. Breathing. From your inhale, step the left leg back, left knee down, look up. Add extra breaths here. Let the body settle into this position. Feel comfortable, a new normal for the body. Hold your breath and come into plank from there. Take your shoulders and wrist in one line and just stay. From here, drop your knees and drop your chest and forehead and stay. Slowly slide your stomach down on the floor. Roll your chest up. Keep your elbows slightly bent and hold here and breathe. Keep your elbows behind, shoulders back. Slowly exhale, go back into downward facing dog. Press your heels down, adjust your legs. Stay there and breathe. Adding extra breath, slowing down in time. Deep inside the ocean, inhale, step the left leg ahead through the water. Right knee down, look up. It's okay if your knees goes over the toes. That's absolutely fine. Exhale, forward fold. Release the head down. Add extra breaths here. Release your hands, weight on the toes. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, release the hands and relax. Beautiful, right? Okay, from here, I want you to open your legs. Okay, open it as wide as you can. From there, you're just going to turn out the right leg. Bend the right knee. You're still inside the ocean. Take your arms on the side. Exhale. Yes. Release the hands down. Go reaching out from the corner. And push the hips lower and breathe. You're strong inside the water. 4. Don't stop breathing. And 1. Inhale, slowly push up through the strength. Turn out the left leg, left hand down. You can keep your hands here also if that's a lot for you. And take the right hand to the diagonal corner. One straight line from this leg to this hand. Look up at your palm, through the ocean, standing tall and strong. Slowly inhale, come up. That was really nice. Turn your toes inwards, hands on the waist. Exhale, slowly drop your hands down. Inhale, lengthen, lift up your head once. And exhale, release the head down by bending the elbows. And try to see as much as you can go. You don't have to necessarily touch the floor. Just see how your body is feeling about this. And accordingly, dive into this journey. Finding that stillness in the ocean. Slowly walk your both hands on your left leg towards your left leg. Slowly coming back center, walking your both hands towards the right leg. Slowly coming back center. From here, keep your right hand down and take your left hand up from the center. Yes. Weight on both the legs, twist your body. Breathe. Cut through the water, slowly move, drop the hands down. Take your other hand up. Breathe. Yes. Find that calmness in the chaos, relaxing the mind, relaxing the body, slowly releasing. From here, see if you can soften your knees a little bit, bend it, and keep your hands on the waist. Slowly reach out from your head to come up straight. Lovely. Get your legs together slowly. That's nice. From here, all you have to do is just take your right leg ahead, left knee back. Okay? Now we're going to straighten both the legs. The back heel is off the floor. You're going to find the balance. You're going to take both arms up from the water and twist. The moment you start twisting, try to look back at the back hand. Yes, breathe. If this is a lot for you, just stay there. If you want to add challenge, bend your right leg, slowly shift the weight on the right hand and drop your left hand down, right hand up. And when you find the balance, shift your gaze on the top hand. Yes. Breathe. It's a challenging one, I know. 5, 4. If you can find a spot at the floor, it can help you balance. 3, 2. Slowly reverse in the same way you entered. Back into straight legs. Whew. Rotate and go on the other side. Arms up. Rotate. Lift up the back heel. Stay there if this is a lot for you. Bend the left knee. Reach out for the floor and lift up. Remember, don't keep your left leg and right hand in same line. They are diagonal to each other. Back leg straight. Twist your upper torso and look up at the palms and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Come back up straight and get your legs together. That was amazing. Just stand tall. Let's try that balance once more, okay? We're going to do this. This time keep your legs together, okay? Just take your left knee to your chest and then go back. Go into warrior 3 first, it will help you. Yes, now drop your left hand in line with the left shoulder and then twist your chest. Yes, now find your balance. Whenever you do, stay with it and breathe. Slowly try to control your legs and come up standing without dropping the left leg down. Whew, that was good. Let's try the other side. Bring your right knee to the chest. Slowly go down into warrior 3 first. Drop your right hand down. Left hand up. Twist your upper torso and balance. Breathe. Slowly find that center without dropping the right leg down. Come up. Whoops. And relax slowly. Good job. Embracing every bit of your practice. That's the goal. Slowly give yourself a good nice hug on the shoulders. Tell yourself good job. Thank your mind for helping you in today's practice with the imagination, visualization. And try to adapt the qualities you found yourself when you were inside the ocean. With that, slowly sit down. Let your heart rate come back to its natural pace. And from here, slowly lie down for your relaxation. Make sure you give yourself at least 2 to 5 minutes. You have been hearing that for quite a while now. So don't forget the drill. Yes? Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.